Hello everyone. On the occasion of World Hand Hygiene Day 2021, it's my pleasure to take this opportunity as a part of infection control team to share with you all as HODs of various departments the need and importance of adhering hand hygiene practices in our own organization. For World Hand Hygiene Day 2021, the World Health Organization, that's our WHO, calls on healthcare workers and facilities to achieve effective hand hygiene action at the point of contact. Now, what is this point of contact or point of care? You can say this point of care refers to the place where three elements come together. Now, what are these three elements? The first element here is our own patient. Second, we healthcare workers, and third, care or treatment involving contact with the patient or their surrounding. Now, we all know that to be effective and prevent transmission of various infectious microorganisms in the system during the healthcare delivery, what we give to our patient, we need to perform an effective hand hygiene. Now, how are we going to do it? It is very much needed whenever we go near any of our patient for any of the care delivery, the 5 basic movements what we practice every now and then. And the most effective way to make it possible, whatever technique we are using to make it effective, we have to make sure that whatever available products are there in our system or in our unit, that has to be effectively used at every point of care. Now, what is the theme of this Hand Hygiene 2021? The theme says that seconds save lives. Clean your hands. So please focus on the theme, which is very, very important. Seconds save life. Clean your hands. So do you think that it is very difficult? No. Yes, it may take around 20 to 60 seconds that you can do and can save a patient's life. There are various call of actions for various departmental heads, or you can say various people who are involved in the care of patient. Now, the first call of action for the healthcare workers says that now more than ever, clean your hands at the point of care. Second, IPC practitioners, these are the people whom I call that they are the champions. They are the champions of any organization, also the mentor. Why? Because they are the people who are taking care of every people so that they can be trained well to clean their hands at every point of care. Who are the third people whom I want to emphasize is the facility managers. Why are they important in the system to take care that our hands are clean? Is because they are the people who ensure hand hygiene supplies are available at every point of care. Third is our own patients and families. Yes, do you think that they are not important? Yes, they are important. As we take care of our hands, we have to make sure that they themselves are taking care by washing their hands regularly before and after touching themselves and the patient also. Sixth is our vaccinators, because they also have to clean their hands with every vaccine. Do you think that we had covered everyone? No. The last the group of people whom I want to address is everyone. It's not the 6 people who are supposed to clean their hands or take care of themselves so that they can give minimal infection to patient. I'll say no. It is everyone in the department who is or in the hospital are very important, and they all play a very important role in making sure that they are keeping their hands clean before touching anything, or as we had learned earlier, the point of contact before coming to any point of contact or care of patient. So I'll only suggest one thing here. We have to make sure that whatever we practice, whatever we understand that it is very necessary for the patient, we have to make it a habit. And habit can't be made just like that. We have to make that habit as a practice so that whatever we do for our patient. Now, I only want to suggest, or I can say that I want to say that we should all level up our efforts as a team to not just get used to this new normal, but create a better normal for our own effort, by our own efforts. We all talk about new normal in this pandemic, but I'll only suggest that this new normal should not be always the same every time when we are moving ahead or going ahead with this pandemic. We have to make a better normal in our lives, in our system, so that we can take care of our patients in a better way. When we as leaders and healthcare workers perform hand hygiene before touching patients or after coming in contact with the patient surroundings or patient, our patient will feel a sense of security knowing that we are the hospital that practices and give priority to best hand hygiene practices. It is very important to understand that our patients have lot of confidence in us, have lot of believe in us. We can only prove that confidence and belief when we start with a basic hand hygiene before touching or getting involved in the patient care. That itself will give them a lot of confidence that yes, we are the hospital who take care of our patients from the beginning, from the start point itself. I urge as a leader to you all during this pandemic to bring in a culture that supports clean hands. So let's not become complacent, but more conscious to perform hand hygiene and reduce infection. So thank you everyone, and happy World Hand Hygiene Day 2021 to all. I just want you all to understand that we all have to put forth a clean hand for all. Thank you.